Topic experience that changed me as a teacher. My quick list was case study, field experience, my job as a pre-K2 teacher. So I listed the questions right here, and my kernel essay is 1. I was uncertain about how I would be as a teacher and how I could help kids. 2. I went because I was required to go for my class. 3. I improved by working with teachers and students. 4. The text that my teachers would read about their old students who are now teachers, and how even now some get nervous or are learning more. Then my 5, it let me know that even after it's okay to still be nervous, and that I still won't know everything afterwards. And 6 was my parents who helped me get this far, the school, Tarleton, for making this a requirement, my teachers who teach about it and help, and myself for pushing this far. That is my kernel essay.